This video is a guide for assembling the Bowpeller centrifugal pump. This applies to model numbers B15154, B2154, and B2254, all with external Type 2 or Type 8 mechanical seals. Please refer to the manual for parts reference and additional details. Mount the pump adapter to the clean face of your motor and secure with 4 bolts. Slide the pump shaft onto a clean motor shaft. Be sure to remove the motor shaft key. Use the provided plastic assembly gauge to set the pump shaft height. This critical step will establish the internal pump clearances and require no further adjustment. Secure the pump shaft by tightening the bolt. Slide the spacer, then the mechanical seal onto the pump shaft. Be sure to protect the sealing surfaces against nicks or scratches. Carefully press a new seal seat into the pack plate. Lubricate with water or food-grade silicone spray if necessary. Align the backplate screws with the milled slots in the adapter. Press in toward the motor and rotate clockwise to lock in place. Place a new O-ring on the shaft groove, just beyond the shaft threads. Place a new O-ring in the groove around the backplate. Insert a number 1 screwdriver or similar tool into the hole in the pump shaft. Thread the impeller onto the pump shaft in a clockwise direction. Attach the pump casing and secure it with the casing clamp. The casing discharge port can be rotated to any desired position. Place the motor adapter cover over the motor adapter and secure with a bolt. Tighten with a 7/16 wrench. Your Bowpeller pump is now ready for installation. Please refer to the instruction manual for piping hints and installation guidelines. Thank you for using Bowpeller centrifugal pumps.